Now we are going to talk about nicotine from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. In this lesson, we will just read on nicotine without any Bengali or English translation or explanation. I hope you will enjoy listening to this topic on nicotine. Nicotine is a naturally produced alkaloid in the nightshade family of plants, most predominantly in tobacco and Duboisia hopwoodii, and is widely used recreationally as a stimulant and anxiolytic. As a pharmaceutical drug, it is used for smoking cessation to relieve withdrawal symptoms. Nicotine acts as a receptor agonist at most nicotinic acetylcholine receptors nAChRs, except at two nicotinic receptor subunits nAChR alpha 9 and nAChR alpha 10, where it acts as a receptor antagonist. Nicotine constitutes approximately 0.6 to 3% of the dry weight of tobacco. Nicotine is also present at ppb concentrations in edible plants in the family Solanaceae, including potatoes, tomatoes, and eggplants. Though sources disagree on whether this has any biological significance to human consumers, it functions as an antiherbivore chemical. Consequently, nicotine was widely used as an insecticide in the past, and neonicotinoids such as imidacloprid are some of the most effective and widely used insecticides. Nicotine is highly addictive unless used in slow-release forms. Animal research suggests that monoamine oxidase inhibitors present in tobacco smoke may enhance nicotine's addictive properties. Tobacco with reduced nicotine, denicotinized tobacco, acutely reduces nicotine withdrawal, raises striatal dopamine, and is also investigated as add-on therapy to a standard therapy to a standard uh, withdrawal, raises striatal dopamine, and is also investigated as an add-on therapy to a standard therapy to quit smoking. An average cigarette yields about 2 mg of absorbed nicotine. The estimated lower dose limit for fatal outcomes is 500 to 1000 mg of ingested nicotine for adult, 6.5 to 13 mg per kg. Nicotine addiction involves drug-reinforced behavior, compulsive use, and relapse following abstinence. Nicotine dependence involves tolerance, sensitization, physical dependence, psychological dependence, and can cause distress. Nicotine withdrawal symptoms include depressed mood, stress, anxiety, irritability, difficulty concentrating, and sleep disturbances. Mild nicotine withdrawal symptoms are measurable in unrestricted smokers who experience normal moods only as their blood nicotine levels peak with each cigarette. On quitting, withdrawal symptoms worsen sharply, then gradually improve to a normal state. Nicotine use as a tool for quitting smoking has a good safety history. Animal studies suggest that nicotine may adversely affect cognitive development in adolescents, but the relevance of these findings to human brain development is disrupted. At low amounts, it has a mild analgesic effect. According to the International Agency for Research on Cancer, nicotine is not generally considered to be a carcinogen. The Surgeon General of the United States indicates that evidence is inadequate to infer the presence or absence of a causal relationship between exposure to nicotine and risk for cancer. Nicotine has been shown to produce birth defects in some animal species, but not others. It is considered a teratogen in humans. The median lethal dose of nicotine in humans is unknown, but high doses are known to cause nicotine poisoning. So this is the end of our reading on nicotine. I hope you have enjoyed listening to this reading on nicotine. And once again, I would like to thank you uh, for listening to this audio on nicotine, and thank you for subscribing to this channel, and thank you for the comments and likes you have done to this channel. Thank you very much.